Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to add references in your document using EndNote from Google Scholar. So first of all, I would ask you all to go to scholars.google.com. Once there, you type keywords for your research article, whatever reference we are looking for. For example, if you want to look up COVID and cytokine storm, relevant articles will appear. Suppose we just want the most recent articles. I will click since 2020 and articles only from this year will come up. I am clicking the inverted commas symbol, EndNote, and I will see that this EndNote will be saved on my computer. Suppose I'll make, I need to make a new folder for it so that I know where I have kept all my references. And I will add this reference in that place. Okay, now I will open my Word document in which I want to insert my reference. So suppose this is the Word document where I need to insert my reference. Now, suppose I need to put it here where my cursor is present. I will first need to go to EndNote over here, go to EndNote and make a new file. Google Scholar, download this reference in my library, and you will see that it has appeared in my library. I will select it. There it has been selected. Now I will go to the Word document where I need to insert it. So suppose I need to insert it here. I'll go to Insert Citations, Insert Selected Citations, and I will see that reference number 1 has been inserted. And I will also note that this, at the end of this document, a list of references will start to be created. Now suppose I add another reference here. I will go back to my Google Scholar article. Suppose I need this. Again, pressing the inverted commas, EndNote. The reference will download on my computer. I will save it. And I will click the downloaded file. It will open in EndNote. I will select it. I will go back to my article where I want to insert it. So if one I want to insert here, rather here, I will do Insert Citations, Insert Selected Citations, and it will be inserted as 2, and I will see it as the second article being added to the list. This is in Vancouver style. I can change the style, suppose APA 6th. The styles will change automatically, not just at the end, but also the in-text citation. So this is how we add references in using EndNote and using Google Scholar.